Good morning, everybody. Mike Vacchi, Princetontrader.com, here with your Friday market webcast. Okay, so yesterday we talked about there was really nothing left to do except new all-time highs. We have not done new highs on the continuation chart. However, on the December front month, we took them out. Those were at 39.5. Cash made new highs yesterday. We traded as high as 45, 48 on the December contract. So we've got we have new all-time highs. So it's one of these things where you've got an upper band ride going. The bears have made minimal attempts to participate, and you just get that slow grind of a move that is going to drag the shorts up with it, make them fight along the way, and do those kinds of things. So here's your hourly chart, and you just see it. This is the box from back last week. They broke out, and it's just a slow, measured grind to the upside, which will drive you crazy in the interim, but just slowly bleeding to the upside. So, where are we today? Yeah, I'd be pretty surprised, and I think the pressure's really on the bulls. They've got to do 50. We're long right now. We had a long yesterday afternoon after a bunch of no trade zones and chop. I mean, we had our day made, but you continue to try them when they break out of these little zones. So 26 was our marker, and our worst entry was 28. So we were in a nice one into the close yesterday. Then it pulled back in, tested 26 in the Asia session, actually a little earlier. Held that, came back up to 28, and really became a second chance setup for everybody, anybody that wanted to be in it, which is one of the things I like about the way we're doing setups now. I like the fact that we are laying out in black and white. Look, that 28 price or whatever it is. This is the bottom line. This is the bottom line of what we want. You got to be here, and other than that is a chase. And when it comes in, by a handle and tests the 26 area and then holds, you have a marker that holds, and back up to grab that 28 is very achievable. So that's where I'm in, and right now I'm probably going to get stopped out of my middle at 43 for 15. I wanted to get 20. I didn't get filled at 48. And every time I set any kind of a one cancels other order, the lower end of that order always gets clipped. At least that's what it seems like, right, when we trade. Anyway, we're going to do it right here. I'm going to get clipped while we're talking. That's fine. So for today, you've got the hourly mid-band at 36. Volume weighted average price 38.5. 43 is our proprietary moving average. 48 is the high of the moment. In order for the bears to really be relevant, they have to start living below 36, and they've really got to try to push back into this area of grind yesterday, and try to take out that low at 45.10. I'm not sure that's achievable, folks. It's a heck of a lot easier on a Friday, unless you get some kind of news they can wrap their heads around. It's a heck of a lot easier on a Friday to just kind of drift and slowly grind people to the upside. We'll do whatever price tells us to do, but certainly the higher probability outcome is to keep going with this slow grind to the upside, with the potential that it could accelerate simply because we've just been grinding for so long. But it is an upper band ride. It is certainly a trending to the upside market. It's just not trending with the kind of volatility that people would like to see. And trading in low volatility markets, takes, there's some things that you need to do in order to do that well. I did a 30-minute training yesterday in the Facebook group. The recording is up now, about tips on trading in low volatility markets. And there's some really good stuff in there, if I don't say so myself. So sign up for that Facebook group. come watch that training. It's the only place it's getting posted. It's the only place it's going to be for now. But if you're interested, come in and check it out. It's not behind a paywall. It's just in the Facebook group. It's free. So the link to sign up for that is there. If you go onto Facebook and type in Princeton Trader, Princeton Trader Trading Education is the name of the group. Request to join, and we'll get you in there, and you can watch that training today. I've already gotten some good feedback on it. Just some things that you got to have on your mind and in your trading plan if you're dealing with markets that are in low volatility, in order to make money, and more importantly, to save money and save your bullets for when the volatility is going to pick up, so your brain and your account can take advantage of those kind of opportunities. All right. That's all I got. Everybody have a fantastic day. Have a fantastic weekend. Be safe, be healthy, take care, trade them well, and I'll talk to you Monday. All the best. And I'm stopped out.